Hello guys, let's talk about this MCQ question which is given here. It is from your fundamentals concept that A and B, which are the partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4 is to 3. Profits were not sufficient to pay the salary and commission. The salary payable to A was 27,000 and commission payable to B was 18,000, right? If the actual commission paid to B is 12,000, calculate the salary paid to A. Now, in this question, as the question is saying, the profits were not sufficient. So, the party here B, who was payable a total commission of 18,000 but actually paid amount was 12,000. So, let's write down what in the question is given to us. There are two partner A and B. Actual amount due to A was 27,000 and actual amount due to B was 18,000. So what is the ratio of their claim? Here we are not taking profit ratio, rather we are taking their claim ratio. What is due to A is 27,000, what is due to B is 18,000. If the amount due to them is 27 and 18, so what is the ratio of 27 and 18? Both are divisible to 9. So 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27. So the ratio, claim ratio is there 3 is to 2. Now in the question it is given to us the actually paid commission to B was 12,000. So let's cross multiply it. If we take the actual values, then it would be 12,000 into 27,000 divided by 18,000. If we are taking their claim ratio, that is 12,000 into 3 upon 2, then the value of actual paid salary to A is 18,000. So the way you want to do, you can carry on. This can also be cut from here also. So this is the way we got our answer. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring, like, share and subscribe to my channel.